guys, today I'm going to show you how you can change the photo aspect ratio in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So in the first step, open the camera app, and now if you need to change your photo aspect ratio, just click here on this little arrow icon and tap on the aspect ratio. Now you can take the photos with the 4:3 or the square or 16:9, and this is how looks the difference between these photos. So I have to take it again. I'm not sure why it doesn't work, or maybe in the photos. And there we have. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.